Hello? Gusto mo bang ma-feel na ikaw ay angat sa iba? Panoorin mo ang video na to mula umpisa hanggang sa huli para malaman mo. By the way, ako nga pala si Rowena, isang OFW dito sa bansang Turkey. The 4 powerful is na magkakaroon ka once you join IMG. Number 1. Education. Number 2. Execution. 3. Entrepreneurship. And 4. Environment. Paano ka maging angat sa iba?
Meron kang powerful S na mapapasayo at nararamdaman mo. Explain namin isa-isa. Una, education is a free financial education. Sabi nga, knowledge is power. The more knowledge na meron ka, the more power na mararamdaman mo na meron kang kakaibang power.
Letter A. The free ebook, a life-changing principles online na magkakaroon ka once you become a member of IMG. This is the secret of building your future, the SBYF. Letter B. Free ebook, financial workbook. Here, you will know how to make money, save money, protect your wealth. Don't let money control you. At ikaw mismo ang magmamanage sa pera mo. At nandito yan sa workbook na ito. Ang workshop magkakaroon ka online once you become a member of IMG.
Execution number 2. Maraming magagaling, they have the knowledge and intellectual na nasa Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms. Pero, ang problema, hindi nila magawa or they can't execute for 2 reasons.
A. Nawawalan ng motivation to execute. Letter B. They don't have the access. But here in IMG, you can easily execute your insurance and investments. Rubber Financial is the partner of IMG when it comes to your investments, mutual funds, and stocks. Number 3, entrepreneurship, meaning it is a big business opportunity. Easy to start. No need to have an office. No need to start with a big capital of money. You can carry everywhere and anywhere. It is online. You can do it as a part-time or full-time. IMG has the powerful online platforms and no territorial boundaries.
And 2, vesting rights. Mapapasa family or beneficiary mo. Ang naumpisahan mo para ka na rin nagpamana ng negosyo. 3, system-driven. Not personality-driven, anybody can do it. No diploma needed or required.
Community number 4. Meron kang community na magsusupport and guide you to reach your level.
Yan ang pag-attend ng meetings, Zoom, or online meetings. Maririnig mo ang sharings ng members, their struggles, and how they achieve their goals, and what and where they are now. Pagkatapos mong matuto, then ikaw naman ngayon ang magtuturo sa iba. Napakaganda at masaya dahil kung dati wala kang kaibigan, ngayon magkakaroon ka na. Ngayon, masaya na, natuto pa, at may community ka na.